Getting a 30-day free trial of YouTube TV is one of the best deals the platform offers, but it's a limited-time promotion and doesn't appear for every user. When available, it gives you a full month of live TV, local channels, and unlimited DVR at no cost. Here's how to check eligibility and activate it. Start by opening a browser and going to tv.youtube.com. Make sure you're signed in with a Google account that has never subscribed to YouTube TV before. Free trials don't work for previous subscribers, even if you canceled long ago. If the 30-day promotion is active in your area, you'll see a banner on the homepage saying, "Try 30 days free," or "Unlock 1 month free." Click it and confirm your zip code so YouTube TV can load your local channels. You'll be taken to a sign-up page where you enter your payment information. Don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial ends. Follow the prompts and click Start Free Trial. During the 30 days, you get full access to live channels, local networks, unlimited DVR, on-demand content, family sharing, sports, entertainment, and news programming. Just make sure to cancel before the renewal date if you don't want to continue. To cancel, go to Settings, Membership, Cancel. The 30-day free trial is the easiest way to explore everything YouTube TV offers without spending anything.